Hello everyone, my name is Sonu and I'll be sharing with you all how I made this homemade Kalakand. These are the items that are required: ricotta cheese, butter, sweetened condensed milk, cardamom powder, shredded coconut and kesar. In a clean glass container, I will be adding the wholemeal ricotta cheese, then I will be adding the whole jar of sweetened condensed milk, stir the ingredients together and make a smooth paste out of it. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. And this is how the consistency of the mixture should look like. Here I will be adding half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, stir the cardamom powder well with the mixture. Make sure there are no lumps. Once the mixture looks smooth, I will be keeping it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Take the mixture out of the microwave and stir it well. Once the paste looks smooth, I will be keeping the ricotta cheese and sweetened condensed milk paste in the microwave for 5 more minutes. And this is how it turns out to be after 5 minutes. Keep stirring the mixture well and try making it in a fine paste. I will be microwaving it for 5 more minutes. And as you can see, it started looking thick and the excess water has been evaporated. It started looking more like a kalakand. Then I will be adding a cube of butter and microwaving it for 30 seconds. Then I will be placing the Kalakand Barfi in the container. I'm using a rectangle container here. Now I will be leveling the mixture with a spoon. After you level the mixture, I will be adding some shredded coconuts, I love coconuts, that's why I'm using a lot of coconuts here. Then I will be adding few strands of kesar. That gives it a good flavor along with a rich look. I will refrigerate it for 2 hours and garnish it with few pistachios. I will be cutting it into small cubes. This Kalakand Barfi is really easy recipe that I am sharing. It just took me 15 to 20 minutes to prepare it in microwave. Do try this easy Kalakand recipe and let me know how you like it. in the comment section below. And this is how the Kalakand Barfi looks like. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.